Ever felt unsure if a suitcase on the carousel is yours? With so many bags looking similar, it's easy to lose track. In today's video, we'll dive into creative ways to make your luggage stand out so you can quickly spot it every time. Personalizing your luggage not only makes it easier to spot but also reduces the risk of someone else mistaking it for theirs. Plus, it's a chance to show off your style. 1. Use a unique luggage tag. Replace standard airline tags with bright, custom ones. Bold colors, funny designs, or even a little cat luggage tag can make your bag instantly recognizable. Plus, it gives the bag a unique identity. 2. Add colored tape or a scarf to handles. Adding brightly colored tape or a scarf around your handle is a subtle yet effective way to spot your suitcase quickly. This trick works well in busy moments on the carousel. 3. Personalize with stickers. Personalized stickers are great for adding a splash of personality to your bag. Show off a favorite place, animal, or hobby. 4. Try a luggage cover. Want protection and style? Use a luggage cover, available in vibrant colors and patterns. They keep your bag looking good and safe from scratches. 5. Sew on patches. With a fabric suitcase, you can sew patches on for a cool travel-inspired look. These are great conversation starters too. 6. Use luggage straps. Not only do luggage straps secure your bag, but they also make it easy to spot. Plus, if you're traveling with multiple bags, they're handy for keeping them together. 7. Paint or draw on your bag. Get creative. If you have an artistic side, painting a pattern or your favorite animal on your hard-shell suitcase can be a one-of-a-kind touch. 8. Wrap in plastic film. Try wrapping your suitcase in plastic. This is often available at airports and adds an extra layer of protection while giving your bag a unique look. 9. Design a custom pattern or add monograms. Many websites, like Roam Luggage, let you customize the colors and trims on your bag. You can even add a monogram for a personal touch. 10. Try a unique color combination. Bright, unique colors make a bag stand out easily. Bold or unusual colors are harder to miss and make retrieving your luggage stress-free. There you have it, 10 easy ways to make your luggage stand out and travel in style. Which of these tips will you try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.